Experiencing the Amdkmdagsys blue screen problem can be frustrating. I personally faced this very issue and spent countless hours trying various approaches. Finally, I discovered several effective solutions that truly resolve the Amdkmdagsys blue screen error, and I am excited to share these proven methods with you today. This guide provides real solutions to fix Amdkmdagsys blue screen error in AMD GPU systems. First, managing your graphics drivers is key because old, broken, or wrong drivers often cause the blue screen by making your AMD GPU talk incorrectly with Windows. Getting fresh, compatible drivers helps everything run smoothly. Next, checking your system files is important. Sometimes, critical Windows files get damaged, and these errors can directly lead to system instability and crashes. Fixing these core files ensures your computer's foundation is solid. Third, looking at your hardware and any overclocks is crucial. If your GPU gets too hot, or if you made it run too fast, it can become unstable and crash. Making sure your GPU is cool and not pushed too hard prevents these kinds of failures. Lastly, adjusting power settings and updating your BIOS can make a big difference. Your computer's power delivery and basic instructions in the BIOS need to be perfectly aligned with your AMD GPU to avoid unexpected shutdowns. These methods tackle the root causes, helping your computer stay stable.